right, so let's open this baby up. Sorry. Like that.
It's a coffee grinder. It's a little unboxing. You have your...
Here it comes, what's this, a spatula? Brush?
No, it's a brush for getting rid of, getting like the back, like on the bottom of that blending material.
Is this one's stainless steel? Oh yeah, it is. So you can see here, stainless steel.
So just pop it off. This is a power button, so like it'll turn on once you do that. We're gonna test it out. We actually bought some whole grain coffee, and we're eager to find out how well it performs. Can't take this out. Okay, so I plugged it in. It doesn't hold that much, but it holds a good amount, I believe. This is your instructions, and they do come with a 2-year full warranty. So, you know, quick parts before use. Make sure the coffee grinder is unplugged. Remove the cover by lifting it up.
Okay.
So I'll unplug it first. And we want to
Do we need to take this thing out? There's like a plastic in there. I don't know if...
No.
No. All right. Okay, so we're going to use today Kaffe espresso, but you can actually make coffee out of this.
Man, these whole beans just smell so much...
Amazing.
So much better.
All right, so is there... So I'm going to use this 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, 3, 4. Is that enough? I just don't know.
Yeah, that should be... Let's just do a little bit first. Okay.
Okay.
Or maybe you can fill it up more, maybe?
Let's just... You want to try it first, though?
Yeah, I guess you can give it a shot.
Hold on, let me get a filter. So this way, and put it straight into the filter. All right, ready? How many cups did I do earlier?
You just did 3.
3?
It's not a cup, 3 little spoons.
Wait, how do you take this out?
Just take it out.
And then you just pour like this?
Yeah, that doesn't look completely grind.
So should I do it again?
Yeah. Doesn't that look completely grinded?
Because I did it too quick.
Gonna do it again.
Very sorry for shaking this thing too much.
That's much better.
Actually, can you get me like a spoon or something?
This is what this is for.
Oh.
First unplug this. That's what that little brush is for.
Oh, okay. Oh my god, it smells amazing.
Yeah, it definitely smells much better than like when you buy the ones that are it's already grounded. This is like as you go.
So for those of you who love to drink coffee like us, you will appreciate this. I'm a little OCD, so sorry if I'm taking too long to like clean this up. I really want to make sure it's thoroughly clean, and I'm not leaving any too much residue.
Yeah, you don't need to wash those off. I don't think,
Because you don't need to.
because you're gonna end up putting just new ones and stuff. We're probably gonna end up using this quite often.
We're gonna be using this pretty much every day.
Okay, that's good enough. That's good enough.
Good.
I want to take a look at the final product.
All right.
It's very fine actually. It's very fine. All right. I think that's it for now. As usual, I'll have my written review, and it should be, I mean, from the look of it, it just looks exactly how we expect it to be. I'm going to use this a few more days, and then I'll report my findings. Thanks.